Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back in Sajid's Take. This is Mama Sajid Hassan. In this video, I'm going to talking with you about a free VPN by which you can use any type of countries as you wish. And here guys, it's really free for you. It's always available for your desktop and mobile phone. So, what's that VPN and how you can install it in your PC or mobile phone? To know about that, you need to watch this video till to the end. Before just starting that video, there are a bit request from you guys. If you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start that video with you. So here guys, as I say you that this VPN is available for desktop and mobile phone. So from here you need to search here like Proton VPN. And here guys, this is the VPN that I use for at least 2 months. And here I get a lot of fun with that. So from here, first of all, you need to sign up here, or if you already have an account, then you can start it. So here from I just show you that what you need to do to sign up in your here. So here guys, from here you can sign up there. So go to this get free, and here you can just give the username as you wish, give the password and give the email address, and after just creating that account you will get a verification code of 4 or 6 digits, and here you need to fill up it, and after that your account will be created easily. And now here you can log in it after just making that account. So here I just log in there. Now click on the login, and here I am free here. Now from here I need to go to on the downloads, and from here you can see their Proton VPN clients, and from here you can download it for Android, iOS, Windows, Mac or Linux. So from here I just click on this download to download it for my Windows, or if you have another, the time you need to download it from here. And now I'll close it from here, as I have already downloaded it, so I needed to download it. So from here I just open up that file that I need, and here guys, this is the Proton VPN Win. So open it, and here guys, it's completely installed. Now click on the finish, and now click on the Proton VPN. And here guys, you need to give the username and the password same as it is in this software. Now click on the start with Windows, and now click on the login. So here we are. So from here you can see that the interface is really awesome. So here they say that free trial version, but you can use some countries from here for lifetime. Suppose here they have some countries which you can use for free. So from here just click on this escape if you have this. So suppose from here I want to connect it in this Australia, or here you can also search it like India as you wish. Now from here click on this Australia and connect it. It will be connected with Australia within some minutes. And here guys, this VPN is connected already, and here it's connected. Now we will test it whether it's working or not. So from here I just go to here and go to in the YouTube, and here it will be in the YouTube, and here guys you can see that it's in the YouTube AU, that means YouTube Australia. And here I just test my IP, get my IP address, and here guys you can see that my IP is in the same place of Australia, and here it's okay. And by that way you can also use it in your mobile phone and your desktop free for some countries, but there have some countries which for you have to pay. But here guys, according to me, there have sufficient country for you by which you can use it for free for lifetime, and there have no any problem for you. And here the net speed also be really good for me, and by that way you can also do it for yourself. Now guys, it's your turn to use it and make a review on it, whether it's working or not in your PC and how good it works. If it worked really good, that time I request you, please give a like that video, comment me below on this video about this rating, share this video with your friends and so on. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.